Georgia, northwestern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, Walton County in north-central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Monroe, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Social Circle, Bostwick, Between, Good Hope, Jersey, Herndonville, Ebenezer, Gratis, Nicholasville, Panel, and Canton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KEC 80 has interrupted its normal weather.